You need to hear this. November is Diabetes Awareness Month, and it's time to get smart about diabetes. Let's turn managing diabetes into a walk in the park. Well, here are a few tips on managing diabetes. Also, we are going to recommend a few products to you to help along the way. Okay, here's the tips. Healthy eating. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables. Consistent carbohydrate intake can help keep blood sugar levels steady. Try smaller, more frequent meals to avoid spikes and dips. Regular physical activity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Physical activity can help improve insulin sensitivity, manage blood sugar, and boost energy levels. Always consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program. Monitor blood sugar levels. Regularly checking blood sugar can help you understand how food, exercise, and other factors affect your levels. Your healthcare provider can guide you on the frequency and timing. Medication. Adherence. Take your medications as prescribed and don't skip doses. If you're having side effects or have questions, speak with your doctor about adjusting your regimen. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can affect blood sugar levels, so aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Manage stress. High stress can elevate blood sugar, so practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even engaging in a hobby can be beneficial. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can impact blood sugar control. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Routine checkups. Regular visits to your healthcare provider help monitor your diabetes and address any complications early on. Okay, here are a few helpful products. First up, the CareSens Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. This all-in-one kit has everything you need: 100 test strips, 100 lancets, a meter, and even a travel case. It's super easy to use and gives you results in just 5 seconds. Plus, it only needs a tiny blood sample. No more ouchies. Next, let's talk food. The No-Fuss Diabetic Cookbook for Beginners is your new best friend. Packed with low-carb, low-glycemic recipes, you'll never be bored at mealtime again. There's a 49-day meal plan to keep you on track and delicious recipes for every meal. Yum! Lastly, grab yourself a copy of Managing Type 2 Diabetes for Dummies. This book is full of expert advice on managing your diabetes and preventing complications. It covers everything from diet and exercise to dealing with diabetes-related stress. Got tips of your own? Drop them in the comments like this video and follow HFB.Lifestyle for more helpful advice. Together we've got this.